Struggling to find the convert button in Wise? Watch this. I'll show you exactly where to click to get GBP fast. So here's the thing. If you've ever logged into Wise and just stared at the screen thinking, okay, where do I actually go to change my money? You are not alone. The dashboard has a lot going on, and that one simple button can feel surprisingly hidden, but it's really just 3 clicks away. I've helped a bunch of people walk through this exact process, and once you see it, it will feel obvious every single time. First, log into your Wise account. Then follow these 3 simple clicks: Main Account, Convert, and select GBP. All right, so you're logged in. You're looking at your Wise dashboard. Now, don't get distracted by all the different cards and graphs and balance numbers. We are going straight for the left-hand side of the screen. See that menu? You're looking for something that says Home, and right below it, you'll see Main Account. That's your first click. Just click on Main Account. And this is a really important step, by the way, because you might be tempted to click on something like Balances or one of your specific currency jars. But we need to start from the Main Account page. That is the control center for everything. When you click it, the page refreshes, and you'll see your primary balance displayed nice and big. This is where all your money starts before you do anything else. Now that you're on the Main Account page, look at the big box that shows your balance. Right underneath your balance amount, you'll see a row of buttons. There should be one that says Add, one that says Send, and one that says Convert. See that Convert button? That is your golden ticket. Go ahead and click Convert. And here's a little tip from my own experience. Sometimes the Convert button might look a tiny bit gray or less important than the Send button, but don't let that fool you. That is exactly what we need. So click it. When you do, it opens up a new screen that looks like a little calculator or exchange window. This is where the magic happens. So now that we've got the conversion window open, you will see 2 boxes stacked on top of each other. The top box is labeled You Send or You Convert, and it will probably show your home currency by default. But we're changing that. You need to click on the bottom box, the one that says You Receive. That is where you choose what you want to end up with. Click on that bottom box. A whole list of currencies will pop up. You're going to scroll down or just type it in and find GBP. That's British pounds. Click on GBP, the exchange rate will appear instantly, and you'll see exactly how much you're getting. Now all you have to do is type in the amount you want to convert and hit the big blue Confirm button. And just like that, your money is in pounds. So to recap, it is really just 3 simple clicks. Click Main Account from the sidebar, click Convert under your balance, and then choose GBP as the currency you want. From confusion to confidence in about 10 seconds. Now you know exactly how to move your money into British pounds on Wise without hunting around or getting stuck. If this helped you out, go ahead and give the video a like, and I'll catch you in the next one.